Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a little different. We're actually going to be testing out some makeup that I found at TJMaxx. And it is a lot of high-end makeup. Let's see, I've got a bunch right here that I found at such a steep discount. So today's video is going to revolve around just a little tutorial, trying it out and showing you what kind of discount you can get at the store. Throughout the video, the products that I use that I bought at TJMaxx, I will be giving you how much I paid versus the actual retail price, and we will see how they work. So when you go to the store, now it's not like you're walking into a Sephora or an Ulta or even the drugstore. They're kind of just thrown about depending on what location you go to, and you have to really be careful because a lot of people will go and they just open it up, they swatch, they scratch at it, they pick at it. I don't know what they do, but they're demolished. So don't just pick up a box and think that it's gonna be okay because it looks okay on the outside. You do have to be very careful. And please do not be one of those people that goes in, opens it up and swatches it. I mean, that's just disgusting. And there are people that really want the product. I mean, there were some items that I would have loved to have bought, but every single one of them was swatched and it's just disgusting. So yeah, I open them up, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't touch the actual product. I just make sure it hasn't been swatched, and I kind of know my colors and I know the brand, so I kind of know what I'm looking for when it comes to colors. I don't need to swatch. So we are going to jump right into the video. I have foundation on, concealer on, and I set my under eyes because I did not find any foundation there. So there are a few products that I got. One of them is being the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Sheer Sun. Oh my god, say that 5 times fast. So this is it, and as you can see, it's been discounted multiple times. So this retailed, if you would get it at Bare Minerals, this retailed for $18 and I got it for $3. That's a $15 savings. Now, I don't know if this is good or not. I mean, I usually like Bare Minerals products. I love their lip glosses. I think they're really good. So this is a serum bronzer, and I did not set this part of my face because I knew that I had some liquids. Shake, 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 shake. All right, so, oh, you just turn it. Okay, so it comes in like a little squirt bottle, and I don't know if it's my color, but this is kind of what it looks like. It comes out wet, and I am just going to take my beauty blender, and I'm just going to dip it in, and put it where it would normally bronze. Yeah, I mean, you can see, okay, it's adding a little bit of nice color to it. So yeah, I woke up this morning, I am just not feeling it today. I mean, I don't know. I just woke up with such a sore neck. I've been doing a new workout, the 80-day obsession on Beachbody. And I just started phase 2. Well, not just started, it's been a little bit. And I know I pulled a muscle. Oh my god. You know, this might be good for when you're doing kind of like a no makeup look. You're going out maybe to the pool, to the beach. And since it is so sheer, you can wear it over like a lightweight foundation, or, you know, I would probably pair this with my It Cosmetics, their CC cream. All right, so next we're also gonna go in with a liquid highlighter. This is the Algenist, whatever. It is a concentrated luminizing drops. And this was, how much did I pay for this? Oh, this was $9.99 compared to $18 at retail. So that's almost a $10 savings. So, well, it's like $8 savings, but whatever. All right, and it comes in a little bottle like this. with a little dropper, and I'll put some on my hand. Okay, so it's got a nice little go. Now this is in the color Champagne. Got a nose itch. I'm gonna take the same beauty blender and I'm going to put it on my cheekbones. Ooh. Wow, you see that glow there? Okay. Okay, I got ya. I see you. Go a little on the nose. Now, it is a lighter one. It's not in your face. But if you've seen my other videos, I don't really go for that kind of look. So I really do like that natural radiance from within type glow. So now we're gonna go into the blush. Now this, I was so excited when I saw this. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit, and it's the Radiant blush kit. It is $33 retail, and I got it for $19.99, so it's a $13 savings. And let me open it up and show you. The plastic piece fell out. These are the colors. It comes in a quad, and they're such pretty colors. I mean, these two up here have some micro glitter in them, so they're going to be a little bit more shimmery. And then the bottom two are mattes, but they're pinky, rosy colors, and I just love these kind of colors when it comes to blushes. So we're going to go into the bottom corner one right here. Dip into that. Get some color on there. Oh, look at that. It is such a nice color. Might have put a little bit too much on. I didn't anticipate that much pigment. All right, so here are all the colors swatched. They're all very nice. They're very pigmented. All right, so we are gonna go into the eyes next. And I picked up a Makeup Forever Waterproof Cream Shadow Set. 3 full-size Aqua Matic colors. So I got this for $3 compared to a price of $32. So what you get in here are 3 sticks, crayon sticks, whatever. Now, I've never used these. I don't know how they work. They could be a catastrophe. But for $3, I don't know. All right, guys, so it looks like we have a purple, a teal, and, oh my God, I want to say black. Oh, these are intimidating. So let me swatch these for you. So these are the swatches. They're a little different in color. I'll give them that. So we're gonna do a look. What look we're gonna do, I don't know. All right, so since they really don't have any transition colors in here, I'm just gonna take my 25A palette from Morphe, and I'm going to add just a little bit of shadow to my eyes because I need those transition colors. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna line the bottom of my eye with this purple. We'll see if we can create more of a dramatic lower lash line here. All right, now we're gonna get a little smudge brush. All right, let's see how this works. I actually really like these. I mean, I wouldn't really go for them on the top of my lid because, I mean, I think they're too dramatic. But I think if you really want to add that really dramatic touch, I mean, they smoke out really nice on the bottom lash line, and they add, like, I don't know, I think they add that dramatic touch that you're looking for. I mean, as you can see, I have a very simple, just kind of like brown smoky on the top. And then I added this dramatic flare, and I mean, I think it would look awesome with the teal. So even the black, I mean, you could do a black smoky eye, but I kind of want to try this in my waterline just to see. Ooh, okay, yeah. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Yeah, yeah. Guys, I don't know. I'm kind of liking the look. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly put on mascara just to kind of finish the look. And then we're going to come back and I'm going to do the lip products that I bought. Alright, folks. So the last couple products that I have are related to lips. I got another Anastasia Beverly Hills product, their liquid lip. And then I also have a Bite Beauty lip gloss. So we will start with the liquid lipstick. So this I got $14.99 compared to $25 retail. So that's like a $10 savings right there. That's pretty good. And it gives you 3 little mini lips. And let me see if I can do some swatches for you. So we've got Hudson, we've got Bittersweet, and we've got Dazed. So here are the swatches. Very nice color, very rich. So the Bite Beauty lip gloss, it's in the color Cocoa, and I got it for $6.99 compared to $11. So not bad, like $4. It's very nude. Okay, so you can see it right there. Let's see, we will probably pair it with the Hudson from Anastasia. Let's see how this works. Let's see how this combo works. Okay. It's a little more orange than I thought it would be. Maybe it's just because it's wet. Maybe it's just the lighting. I don't know. Not sure if I like the color combination, but whatever. All right, so now we're gonna try the Bite Beauty on top. And this, I guess, is made with that tastes really good. I'm not sure if I really like the color with the eyes. I probably should have gone with the Dazed. Yeah, well, okay. So, I don't know. I think I got a really good deal on all these stuff. I really liked all the products that I used. I did like. I think some of these I will be using more than others. But I think, you know, it depends on when you go. It's hit or miss. Okay guys, so here is the grand total of retail, and here is the grand total of what I actually purchased it for. And here is what I saved. Okay guys, so yeah, this concludes the video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I had fun. I mean, I didn't know what to expect when I was trying on these products, but I mean, all in all, I think I got a pretty good deal. I'll definitely be reusing these again. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Comment below if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, welcome. God, this hair is just like, This is it. This concludes. Why do I always get lipstick on my freaking teeth?